haven't you answered any questions? Oh, we still have all night. It's due tomorrow morning. Are you serious, Stacy? We need to work hard. Oh, I'm working hard on my game. Oh, I need to hurry so I can finish everything. Yes! Next level! Oh. I'm so tired. I'm gonna take a nap. Oh, this is the perfect moment to copy Amy's homework. And done! Now we'll both get an A, and I can play games. Oh.
Wake up! Why you guys sleep in my class?
Huh? Sorry, Professor. I stayed up studying all night. I was at a party.
I don't care, but you guys have to wake up because this information will be on your next test. Okay, now focus.
Okay. Oh man, this is so important. I'm so sleepy. What am I gonna do? Oh, whatever. I remember Max told me that whenever I fall asleep, if I eat almonds, I'll wake up. Let's try it. The tryptophan in almonds will help me stay awake. All right, now that I'm not sleepy, I can keep taking notes. Amy, be quiet. I'm trying to sleep. Sorry. Stacy, why aren't you painting? This is due at the end of class. That's fine. We still have an hour. Are you serious? How can you paint something that fast? Don't worry about it. It's gonna be the most beautiful painting in class. All right, time to go get my painting. Hey, is it ready?
Yeah, I'm always ready. Which one do you want? Flower or the split view?
I'll take the flowers.
Alright, $100.
I only have 80.
That's fine, give it to me.
Alright. And done. See, Amy, I made the best painting in the class. What? But how did you paint so fast? That's my secret. You better hurry, Amy. We only have 20 minutes left. No!
Alright guys, welcome to my class. Time for attendance now. Amy.
I'm here, Professor.
Stacy. Huh? Are you here, Stacy? Why don't you answer me? Stacy, are you listening to me? Huh? What is this? Amy, you know what it means?
No, I don't know.
What does that? Huh? What does that? What? Stacy!
Huh? What, Professor?
What are you doing here? Why don't you come into the class?
I'm just so hungry, Professor.
Unacceptable! You have to leave the class now.
Yay, no more school!
What? Stacy! Alright, this is a test result. I hope you can learn from this.
Thanks, Professor. Oh man, it's so disappointing. I got an A-. I can't go to the big university like this. Seriously, Amy, I got an F and I'm proud. I can turn this into an A+. What? But how can you do that? Just watch and learn. I just need to use 2 lines and a circle. Now I have an A+ and no one will know the difference. What? But that's cheating. No, it's not. I can change your grade too. No way. I don't want to be a bad student like you. I'm just smart. All right, I'm done. Stacy, can you send me your part? I have to put it all together. My part? Sorry, I was talking to my friend. I couldn't do it. Are you serious? Our presentation starts in 10 minutes. We're gonna get an F. That's still 10 minutes. I'll do it after I finish texting my friend. Man, I have to do it myself. I don't want to get an F.
Alright, the next presentation is Amy and Stacy.
Alright, got it. Okay, so we're gonna talk about social media and how it impacted the world. So it all started.
Alright, Amy, can you stop? Stacy, can you continue?
Okay, Professor. Well, I have Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook.
What? What are you talking about, Stacy? Did you prepare for this presentation?
Of course I did. I'm right here. Sorry, Professor. I did all the research. She's just playing on her phone the whole time.
Alright, Amy, you get A, and Stacy, you get F.
Oh, but it was a group assignment.
No, go back
want to prank Professor? No way! I'm a good student. I don't want to get in trouble. Fine. I'll do it myself. I'm gonna prank Professor by putting glue on the chalk. Professor, can you explain that function? I don't understand it.
The function? Oh, okay. For the function, that's very easy. What? Wait, hold on. What happened to the chalk? I cannot take my hand out. Who did it? Is it you, Stacy?
Me, Professor? Definitely not. But I do see glue on Amy's desk. What? It wasn't me. I'm doing my work. Bad Amy. You should know better.
Really, Amy? I thought you're a good student. You have to leave the class now.
But Professor, I want to learn.
No problem, you have to leave now.
See, Professor, I'm the only good student in the class.
Focus on your work. Alright, everyone, this is the important information for the next test. Okay, the solar energy from...
Oh man, I don't want to miss the lesson, but I have to go to the bathroom. Professor!
Oh, what's going on, Amy?
Oh, can I go to the restroom quickly?
Yes, you can go.
Thank you, Professor.
Alright. Okay, this is the goal we want to make. What? Amy, you still here?
Yeah, I just got back from the bathroom, Professor.
Wow, that's fast. Alright, anyway, we come back to the lesson.
Professor, can I go to the bathroom too?
Sure, go ahead.
Thank you.
In this point, if we get it, 5,000, this is the number that we need to have in this county.
Wow, that's so interesting.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. You see Stacy? She left for 30 minutes already.
I haven't seen her, Professor. Professor doesn't know that I only asked to go to the bathroom just to play games. Hi, everyone. If you guys like our video, leave a comment down below.
Please remember to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.